I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me in these past 2 days. I've been afraid I might drift away. I've been telling old stories, singing songs that made me think about where I come from. That's the reason why I seem so far away today. Ah, but let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. If I shall become a stranger, though it'll make me more than sad, Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Now I have moved and I kept on moving, proved the points that I needed proving, lost the friends I needed losing, found others on the way. I've kissed the ladies and left them sighing, stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I travel hard sometimes to conscience flying, somewhere with the wind. Ah, but let me tell you that I love you, I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. If I shall become a stranger, though it'll make me more than sad, Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Now I'm sitting here before the fire, an empty room, a forest quiet, the flames have cooled, won't get any higher. The winter now, they're gone. But I'm steady thinking my way is clear, and I know what I will do tomorrow. The hands are shaking, the kisses flow, now I will disappear.
Let's hear everybody sing.
Ah, well, let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. If I shall become a stranger, no, it'll make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had.
All together.
Ah, but let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. If I shall become a stranger, no, it'll make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Ah, Caledonia's been everything I've ever had.